Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Marvel Rivals when shaders are compiling slowly or getting stuck. Let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Click on the Library tab at the top. Then right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. In the Launch Options field, type the following exactly as shown. -use all available cores. This command helps your system utilize all available CPU cores during game startup. After entering it, close the window. Next, right-click on Marvel Rivals again. Hover over Manage and click Browse Local Files. Locate the Marvel Rivals launcher. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and make sure to uncheck the box next to Run this program in compatibility mode for. Also uncheck any other selected options, if applicable. Once done, click Apply, then OK. Now head back to your desktop. Right-click on a blank area and select NVIDIA Control Panel. On the left sidebar, click Manage 3D Settings. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Click the drop-down menu and set it to 5 GB. Don't forget to click Apply in the bottom right corner to save your changes. Once you've completed all these steps, go ahead and launch Marvel Rivals. The shader compilation should now be significantly faster and your overall game performance should improve. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.